Good morning, students. Today I begin here your fourth chapter, though I had given you fifth chapter, the noun kinds of nouns. But here I would like to teach you now the fourth chapter, the question tags. Okay. Now you will learn how to put a question mark or how you will know that it is a question asking the sentence in a question way. Okay. Now, for example, let us read. In normal practice, we often make a statement. Okay. In normal way, first we make a statement and then ask for a confirmation. Okay. Suppose, for example, it is raining, isn't? Now, first here I made a statement. It is raining, and then to confirm it, I am asking, isn't? Okay. So, do you understand? So, this is the part of the sentence is called the question tag. The first the statement is made and then we ask to make it confirmed. Then we ask the question. So it is called a question tag. Now here something very important you have to remember the some important rules of question tags. Okay. Now number one is here when a word which gives a negative sense. Okay, it's a word which is telling you something negative. Seldom, hardly, never, nobody, neither, etc. Okay, seldom, hardly, never, nobody, neither. Okay, now its use question tag is kept positive. Okay, now question tag is kept positive as the barking dog seldom bites. Does it? Okay, the barking dog seldom bites. Does it? Now the second, nobody is perfect. Okay, are they? Already negativity is a negative sense has come into this sentence, and then again the question is here. So it is very important to remember that if you find in the statements the negative sense, this rule also is there. The question tag is kept positive. Okay, now the second one is here. With commands and requests we always use will you. Okay, when you want to give a command or request you will always use will you. Okay, as a question tag as open the window, will you. Now you are telling open the window. Now if you ask for the confirmation question, will you, that don't make a noise here, will you. Okay, order is given here and request is made there. So after that also you have to put a question tag, so it will come will you. Okay, always remember that. The third one is let us always take shall we. Do you remember now what I'm saying? For a command and a request, will you will be used as the question tag. Okay. And the third one is let's always let us shall we. Okay. Now let us see. For example, let us play together. Shall we? Okay. Now second one also is the let plus name of the person, him, her, them, take. Will you? Okay. Now, if the name of the person or something things name is there, then how you will put the question tag and that there will be formed will you. Okay. Now let them watch TV. Let them watch TV. Will you? Now did you understand? Very simple it is. Okay. So I don't have to explain to you much. Now here, how to choose pronouns for question tag. The subject is here and question tags are here. For the noun, for the noun what you according to the person, gender and number. Pronouns same, this, that, it, these, those, they, nobody, somebody, they, everybody, anybody, they, no one, someone, everyone, they, nothing, something, everything, it. Now, for example, read. Somebody was coming, were not they? Okay. Now, this is my pen, isn't it? Understood? Something is wrong. Now, here something, now something is wrong, isn't it? So, it is used here. Okay, something we took from here. Now question tag will be it. Okay, isn't. Now you are free, aren't you? Okay, are you not? Are not you? So you. So very easy, please learn this. This is your homework. You will go through this exercise and learn where to use a question tag and where not, what which word. Okay, how to. Now here is an exercise a little, only 2 points here, 2 questions are here. Choose the correct option. This is your homework you will do in your off copy. The first one, in the verb in the question is positive, then the verb in the tag is negative. Okay. Now the second one, we use question tag to confirm with the listener that what we were saying is right. Okay. Just now I had explained it. Now this exercise I have done for you, but then you will go through this whole exercise. Okay, dear students. Now here construct a question tag for the following. Okay. Now for the in the bracket words are given to you already for your help. Now how will you do? Now first one is you didn't meet her, did you? Okay. Everything is fine, isn't it? Let him stay alone in the room. Will you? Raj speaks English well, doesn't he? Okay, in the same way, I have done this all. If you can't see it properly here, then do it yourself. Okay, dear students, it is very easy. You have to only, with the help of these words, hint. Already hint is given to you. So you have to put this question tags here. Okay. Now here, this is your real homework now. Please see that you form this sentence in put the question tag. Fill the correct question tag you have to put. This is a bot. Now, what will you do here? This is a bot, isn't? Okay. For example, I already said isn't. Okay. Now, this you will be doing your homework. If you can write in your rough copy, it will be very good. Okay. In the same way, you have to do this also. Suresh broke the glass. John reads a book. Anil rode a bike. The baby has slept. Okay. Again, 12 sentences are here. Miss Monica can teach well. Okay. It is raining. They drew a cat. The boy isn't drinking. The boy was happy. It isn't summer. Okay, this is your whole homework. You will be completing this exercise. Okay, dear students, and again I remind you, this you have to do your homework in your rough copy. Whenever you get an opportunity to come to the school, when the school is open, I will be asking you this. So this exercise you can do till 5 in your notebook. Okay, I hope you might have understood already. It is very simple sentence, but rules you have to learn. Okay, otherwise you will not be able to put the question tag. Then go through this some important rules for the questions. Okay, dear students, and read how in normal way we are asking a state. We put a statement and then ask for the confirmation question tag. Like for example, it is raining, isn't it? Okay. So, dear students, I hope you might have understood. And if not understood, please see that you go through the whole chapter again and try try to understand it. But I hope you might have really understood. So, dear students, all the best. Do well.